How to make a turkey ham and cheese puff pastry by Belia, Tisha, and Shella. What you'll need is 2 puff pastry sheets, mozzarella cheese, turkey ham, and Munster cheese, or any cheese you want really. Start by covering your surface with some flour and make sure to get all your corners covered. Next, open up your puff pastries, unwrap them, and lay them out on the flour. Make sure everything looks good. Make sure some flour is on there too. Next, take your rolling pin and roll, starting vertically. After you're done that, you could even go sideways. Make sure it's all even and flat. Take your time with this. When you're done, you'll have a pretty thin piece of puff pastry. Start by preheating your oven to 350 to 400 degrees. And now that you have these puff pastries, we can start with the ham. So you can put some pieces of ham in the middle. Maybe some more. Maybe even some more. Next, we start with the cheese. Maybe 1 or 2 pieces. Or 7. Or 10. And now we put a little bit of mozzarella cheese. Okay. Now fold the bottom up to the middle, covering all the ham. Take the top and fold it over that, kind of like you're folding a hot dog or something. Pinch the edges in, as Tisha is doing here, both sides as well. Make sure they're covered. And then you're going to want to take a fork and use this method here to close the edges. And there you go, that's what it's gonna look like before it goes into the oven. And do that to the other one, be right back. There we go. And now, once we have these two, we can start putting them on the tray. How about we turn the oven on to, say, 20 to 25 minutes. I'll see you in a couple minutes.
Yeah.
Alright, we're back. And now we have these very large puff pastries. Take them out, be careful. Make sure to use some oven mitts. Make sure that the outside is a little bit crispy. Get your plate ready for the final cut. Gotta get the cross section in. Probably wondering where the cheese is. Well, yeah, it's right there. And there you have it. Pretty easy puff pastry with turkey ham and cheese. Thanks for watching.